Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Welcome guys, welcome to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Magotty, St. Elizabeth at the JPS Hydroelectric Power Plant in Magotty, St. Elizabeth. Let us know sweet Jamaica, very close to Apple Valley Park, Magotty Town and Magotty High School. Let's take a tour. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.
Jamaica Public Services JPS 7.2 megawatts Magotty Hydroelectric Project has been officially commissioned in St. Elizabeth, the single largest hydro development since the country's independence. JPS produces electricity using the following technologies: steam, oil-fired gas turbines, combined cycle, diesel, hydropower and wind. JPS is also exploring a number of other initiatives as part of efforts to reduce its dependence on oil. These include the recent partnership agreement with Petrojam for the construction of a petcoke plant at Hunts Bay in Kingston and a project to convert the Bogue combined cycle plant in Montego Bay to use compressed natural gas. These initiatives are expected to save the company and, by extension, consumers, millions of dollars in fuel costs each year.
Sweet Jamaica, look at those beautiful banana trees, rivers. That's where you can catch some nice black fish. So Jamaica life is the best. So enjoy our sweet Jamaica, land we love, in Magotty, St. Elizabeth, with Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes, one love, one heart.